So once again, those who came here now, please listen. A write-up function states that accepts a file name and reports the file longest line. That means we have to make a functions, we have to write a function code which will accept one file name, and in the file name it will find out in which line having the maximum number of character, and it may display that line also, and how many character the line have, it also will display. So look here what the code we have to do. Suppose this is the file abc.txt, and we have each line some sentences. Hello, here I have written hello Sanjeev, and here I have written hello everyone. We are solving both questions. So if it is a file, so in this file, this line is the longest line. Means this line containing the maximum number of characters. This line containing the maximum number of characters. So we have to write a function code that will tell in the file which line have the maximum number of codes. Clear? So look here how we will do. What we will do, I will make one function, define state, that will take the file name. Then what I will do, I will open the file. File is equal to open. And what we will pass here? We will pass here file name. We have to open into the repo. And we are assuming longest line is equal to this, and length of the longest line is equal to 0. Clear? So what we are doing, we are going to read one by one line. So for I in F. For I in F, it may read one by one. For I in F, it will read one line at a time. Clear? Then after, what we have to do, I will check if length of I is greater than length. Then what we have to tell? The longest line is equal to I, and length is equal to length of longest. Clear? When this loop will run up to the end, then we will get the longest line. Then after, from here I'm going to write there. We will write here print longest line is equal to comma long print length is equal to comma length. Clear? So come here, we will see on the system it is working or not. I will open the idle. I'm making one folder here. Later on, if you want, I will send all this. board question solutions. And here I'm making one file on Notepad. With the help of saving, I'm going to save into the board question solution. File name is a line.txt. And here I'm writing hello, hello Sanjeev. And then we are writing hello everyone. We are solving board questions. Board questions. And here also I'm writing this is not last question. Then again I'm writing thank you for watching. I hope you understand all the statements. Look here, this is a file. In this, we have a longest line. Hello everyone, we are solving board questions. I saved here. Then I will go to the idle. I will open here file, new file. And then I will write here define state. Formula. And we have taken the file name. And then I have written f is equal to open. We are going to open the file name comma in a read mode. Then I'm writing here longest line is equal to this and length is equal to 0. And I have read one by one in the F. Then I'm checking if the length of I is greater than length. In that case, we have to write here long line is equal to I and length is equal to length of long line. Clear? Then here I'm going to display print longest line is equal to comma long line and print length is equal to comma length. Now I'm going to save into the same folder where we have more questions. Longest line program. Now I will execute this by calling state in double quotes line.txt. Look here. Longest line is a hello everyone. We are solving the board questions. My dear students, look here. Now I'm writing, I hope you understand file handling concept nicely. Yeah, perfectly. Clear? So now which one is the longest line? This is thank you for watching. Click to save and again go to this code and run it. Look here. It came longest line. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand all the files. After that, we have to understand how this code is working. So I will stop this sharing and I will come here. Look here. I think we have understood all codes. Instead of this, I have used the long line. Instead of length, I have used the lengthful word. So, and we have a file line.txt. In that we have a hello. Then we have a hello Sanjeev. Then we have a hello. We are Learning this much clear. And then one more, we have a longest one. And then we have the thank you for watching this all. Now, what happened? We will start from here. Yeah, let me do this all thing. Yeah, this one. We have a one variable long LLC. In that, no value is there and length is 0. When this loop run in the I, which value will come? First line, this one. Run. What is the value of I first time? Then will come length of I. What is the length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the length of I is 5 and less than length is 0. So 5 greater than 0, condition is true. When the condition is true, in the LNG long line, I value 0. That means LNG have which value? I value. And what is the I value? So LNG we have stored the. What is the length? Is equal to length long. So what is the length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it is 5. After that, again we will move here, and again it may reach the another line. So now the value of I is a what? Hello, Sanjeev. Again, it will go to the downside and it may count the length of I. Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It is coming 13. And what is the length value? 5. So 13 greater than 5. Once again, condition is true. Once again, when condition will be true, what the value of energy will come? Now it will come hello Sanjeev. And the length was, what is that? 13. Again it will go to reach another line. So the value of I will become this one. Like that, it will go one by one each line and it will check with the condition which one is the longest line. So I hope you have understand how it is working, how to write the code. Write another question. Write a function. Remove lowercase. What is the function name? Remove underscore lowercase. Write a function. Remove lowercase that accepts two file names. That accept two file name and copies all the lines that do not start with a lowercase letter from the first file into the second. This is also board question of the 12th. So look here, always many times such type of questions are coming in a board based on the files. So please, once more, I will repeat the question. Write a function, remove lowercase that accept two file names and copy all the lines that do not start with a lowercase letter from first file into the second file. That means what is the program? First we have to understand. We have to pass the two file names. One file name line.txt. It has some content. Hello Sanjeev. Hello everyone. Ayush, you are well. Okay, we have it. And we have a pass one file. It can be blank also, like a ABC text. And it can be non-blank, it have some data also. So we have to pass one file. It can be blank also, like a ABC text. And it can be non-blank, it have some data also. So we have to pass one file. It can be blank also, like a ABC text. And it can be non-blank, it have some data also. So we have to pass one file. It can be non-blank, it have some data also. So we have to pass one file. It can be blank also, like a ABC text. And it can be non-blank, it have some data also. So we have to pass one file. It can be blank also, like a ABC text. And it can be non-blank, it have some data also. So we have to pass one file. It can be blank also, like a ABC text. And it can be non-blank, it have some data also. So we have to pass one file. It can be blank also, like a ABC text. And it can be non-blank, it have some data also. So we have to pass one file. It can be blank also, like a ABC text. And it can be non-blank, it have some data also. So we have to pass one file. It can be blank also, like a ABC text. And it can be non-blank, it have some data also. So we have to pass but we have to pass two file name in these functions. What this function will do, it may copy all the data. Clear? It may copy all the data. Yeah, it may copy, sorry, it all the not data, all the lines. It is given here lines. So it may copy all the lines from line.txt into the abc.txt and such type of lines that does not start with a lowercase letter. That means in this file, hello will come and Ayush will come. Hello, Ayush. You are welcome. Anything? And this 2-1 will not come. Why this 2 will not come? Because it is given such type of lines that does not start with a lowercase letter. So we have to make this one. How we will do? Look. We have to make one function here, make and define. Remove lowercase. And in that we have to write file 1, comma, file 2. Clear? F is equal to, yeah, FR is equal to. Why I am using the FR? Easily you can identify it is a reader file, and we have a FW, it is a writer file, pointer. So FR is equal to, we will write here open, and where is the content? Content it is in the file 1, and which mode we have to open? Read mode. Then we have to use one more file pointer, that is the file writer. Short form I have written FW is equal to open, and I will write here file 2. And in which mode? Write mode. Because it is not mentioned in the file to have some data, it can be also present there. And the new data will add after the previous data. Such type of wordings are not given in the question. So what we will do, we will open directly into the W mode. It is our wish. I may open in a W, I may open in the append, because the board has not specified in which you have to work. Clear? So we can work in a W also, you can work in a. Don't think here what we have to use. If it is given the new data will be appended, then we will use here A, but if not given, so we will use a W. Then after what we have to do, we have to start the reading one by one from the file reader object. So what we will do, I am writing here for I in FR. So we are reading line by line. The syntax will read one line of data at a time. Then what we have to do, we have to check if the first character of the line, it does not contain the lowercase letter. Clear? So we can use the library function also, and we can use the in member function also. So we are going to see by the in here. So we will write here if I of 0. Clear? Not in. We will write here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, Y, Z. If this condition is true, it is not in this one. Then what we have to do? We have to write here FW dot write I plus we will change the line. Only that works we have to do, and finally we have to display. So come here. We will see So once again, look here, I'm going to write one more function. Definition, remove lowercase in that file1, comma, file2. And I've used the here file reader object is equal to open file1 and file writer is equal to open file2. Okay, then what we have to do, I have to write for I in fr, and I have to check if I of 0 is lower, and we will use here not. If condition true, then what we will do, fw dot write the right line I. Only that works. Now we have to do here, remove lowercase in that. I'm writing one file because dot text, and it has to copy into the Sanjeev dot text. Make it save into this one. Remove lowercase program and come to the notepad and make one file new and make it save by because.txt and write down here hello. Then again I have written here hello Sanjeev. Again here hello everyone. And then here hello Ayush, comma Prachi. And I saved it. Now I will run this program. No such file directory Sanjeev.txt. No such file or directory. Achha, sorry, I have not mentioned here write mode. That's why it is not created. Achha, one more mistake I have done. This is the index, so I have to use number 0. Object has no attribute, right line नहीं होता है तो right की काम करते हैं पता नहीं क्या. Now look here, this program is run successful. So come we will see the output file in this Sanjeev one. Yeah, Sanjeev came here. Oh. Actually, we have to give .txt. Look here. Only that lines came which have a what? Which have the capital letter in a starting. So I hope you understand these programs.